beauties, I hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I will be showing you what I bought from Shein for $100. So stay tuned, my beauties. And guess what I have here? Yes, it is the package. It is from DHL. They were the ones that delivered this package to me. Actually, I went to pick it up. I'll tell you guys more of that right now, but just to let you know, if you guys have ordered from this site, they don't usually tend to have like a certain carrier. They usually just go with anybody, I guess. It's UPS, the US Postal Service, DHL, FedEx, so all of them. But the problem with this one, and I say the problem, was because I pay express shipping to get it in 2 to 4 days, and I ordered it since last Wednesday, thinking like I'm gonna get it by like Monday, Tuesday, and I did actually get it on Tuesday, but I did get the tracking information, and the tracking information said it was going to be delivered on Thursday, and I almost got a heart attack because a lot of these items, I want to take them to my next trip that I'm actually leaving on Thursday. So I was very like upset initially, but then I was like, okay, let me just call the company, let me try to figure it out. So I didn't call Shein. I wasn't gonna bother with them. I called DHL and I told them to hold off the package at their warehouse, at their location, and that I will go I will pick it up. So what I did, I was just monitoring it, and then this morning I received a text that it was ready, and it's Tuesday, so it was actually here earlier than anticipated. So it was great because I have time to like check out how this clothes fits me, and then also make this video. Here it is, open package, and I am super excited because I will be going to Guadalajara, Jalisco, Mexico for my cousin's quinceañera, and I did order this very nice dress, and I am in between this dress and another one I already have, so I am just very curious to see how it's gonna fit me, and that was actually also one of my worries, that I wasn't gonna get it on time. But I did, and it's right here. So that's probably gonna be the first item I will be showing you guys. So it's gonna be kind of my first impression as well of like the item, and you guys, I will be trying it on so you guys can see how it fits me. And guys, this is how it looks like, and it might look a little big, but honestly I feel like their dresses might run a little small for my back. I have a wide back. I have a wide back, so I did order a medium the other day, and I was like, oh no, I gotta go to a large, because everything fits good, but it's always like the upper part too. So I always have to order a size up, and even the large fit me a little bit like tight, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order extra large and then just, you know, fix whatever else I have to fix. But look, I love the color, and it's just so beautiful, guys. Honestly, they have such nice dresses at such affordable prices. Yes, I am excited to also wear this. Look at this. This is so cute. I like the cut, and it does look a little big. It is a medium, but it does have this, so I think it's gonna look cute. Okay, my beauties, and the next is this top. It is super cute. Look at the color. I loved it. And like this fruit thing. And I always like shirts with this at the bottom. The only thing that I look like when I'm ordering it is that this is not too short, because then it looks weird on me. So that's something I was definitely looking in pictures for this shirt in specific. So yeah, I like the buttons. I just like everything. It's like really cute. The only thing is that it doesn't stretch. And the next thing is this romper, beautiful romper. It kind of looks like the shirt that I just showed you, but this one has these flowers, and it's a romper. Fits all the way to your ankles. Depends, I guess, how tall you are, at least in my case. And yeah, it's really nice. I like the material. Is not really thin, so that's really good. I mean, it's thin as in like it'll be comfortable and fresh, but not like see-through, you know. And it also has this right here. The next thing is this one right here. It's a long sleeve shirt. It is so cute. I love the color. I don't have anything like this in my closet that I remember, and it's just like just a shirt with some jeans, looking cute. I hope I look like the model. And the next thing is this dress right here. I have a mess right now on my floor. Is this dress right here. It's super cute. I like the pattern of the dress. I don't have anything like it either, but I thought it was perfect for this fall. It's long sleeve, it is like knee length, at least for me it is. So on the model, it looked like it was actually like below the knee, and I was like way below the knee. So I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be like long on me, right? Because the models are always taller, but no, I actually think it's gonna be like by the knee. And I thought it was also thicker, so I thought it was more like that material, like very like the sweater material. The next thing is this dress, and this dress is mostly for work. I thought it was very cute. Look at this. And then here it's a good length, and then the back, I just feel like it's gonna make your butt look good because of that you guys see right there. And one of the things that I did think about this dress from the picture was that I thought like the bow that it had in the front was coming from the dress, that it wasn't like a bow that I had to create, because it never looks as pretty, right? That's one of the things that I've read in the reviews, is like people that like, why don't they send it with the bow? Like, it just doesn't look the same when you do it, you know? My beauties, and the next and last thing that I bought is this dress that, like, you guys can see, it's really cute. When I just opened it, my first reaction was like, wait, it has a lot of blue, which, oh, sorry, which I did not see in that picture, really. I'll post a picture. Still cute. I still think it's cute. I'm just hoping this looks good on me. Like, you guys can see, like, there's a lot hanging from like the sleeves. I think it'll look cute. And the length, I think it's also really good. It's not too short. This in the front, I think, you know, it's like a v-neck, but it's not really like low cut. So yeah, I love it. I love it too. I'm telling you guys, so far everything I ordered from Shein, I love it. Beauties, and don't forget to come back to this channel, because I will be showing you guys my outfits that I wore in Mexico for my cousin's quinceañera. I will be leaving in a few days, like 2 days, so I will be recording all my outfits. I will be there for 4 to 5 days, so don't forget to tune in here next Friday. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys till next time. Bye.